What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to share with you my fourth dividend payment from Gladstone Capital, ticker symbol GLAD. This is my fourth dividend payment from Gladstone Capital, which is a monthly paying dividend company, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the stock market, if you guys are totally new to the channel, I'm by no means a guru, nowhere close, but I have had some ups and downs, and I'm finally, hopefully, going to be having more ups. The purpose of this channel is just for me to share my experiences with you guys, and hopefully in doing so you can learn and kind of start your own journey in regards to investing in the stock market. I know that for me personally, when I got started back in 2016, I did not know what the hell I was doing. I lost about $4,500, and then I stopped investing in 2017, and I started again in 2020. So this time around, I'm a little bit smarter, and I've learned a couple of things. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So right now, I have on the screen my current portfolio with Robinhood, and today was a very good day because Apple and Tesla did really well. So as you guys can see right now, I'm currently up $3,000 today as of the making of this particular video, which is really cool. Haven't always been the case, so I'm actually in the green overall. So if I click on all, you guys will see, well, way back over here, this has my relationship with Robinhood back in 2016. And no, I did not have $237,000 invested in 2016, but it just shows all of the activity in my Robinhood account. So far, I've invested 232, call it almost $233,000, right? And that's been since May of 2020. So I kind of started to reinvest back in May 2020, and since then you guys can see my journey here. There was once again a point where I was down negative $63,000. Did not feel good at all. So overall right now, if I'm counting from when I started to reinvest in the market, since May 2020, I'm currently up a little bit. So I'm currently up almost $1,000, which I'm really excited about. From May 2020 until now was not the easiest journey, and I started to do a little bit better once I gave up on investing in becoming a day trader, because that's super duper hard. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the Gladstone tab that I have open here. So as of the making of this video, Gladstone is trading for $11.47, and then you guys can see currently my market value is $11,734. Today's return is down $61, but my total return is up $692. I'm currently up $6.27%. My average cost per share is $10.74. You guys can see that. And I currently own over 1,000 shares right here. You can see 1,023 point something, so on and so forth shares. So Gladstone Capital is actually a pretty decent company. They have several different stocks that you can decide to invest with, and Gladstone is pretty solid. I like this one because they do pay monthly. I love getting monthly dividend payments just because it's a little more exciting than getting the quarterly payments, but you know, as long as you're making dividends, it's a good thing. As a matter of fact, I have quite a bit of different types of stocks as far as what's in my portfolio. I have dividend paying stocks, and then I have growth stocks as well, and I just purchased an ETF, which is VGT. I'll put a video right here at the top right of this video if you want to check this out, where I invested $20,000 in VGT, which is an ETF, and currently there's 358 companies in that particular ETF. So my portfolio is pretty diversified right now. If I scroll down here, I will get to where it says show more. So I'll click on show more. and then I click on dividends just to kind of show you guys my most recent dividend payment, which was July 30th, was for $66.12. At the time, I had 1,017 shares, and they were paying 0.065 cents, so like almost 7 cents, 6.5 cents, which allowed me to get a dividend payment for $66.12. And of course, they took the time to grab some more shares for me. As you can see here on July 30th, I was able to grab some more shares, which at the time was 5.75 shares for $11.49. This is automatically done for me because I have DRIP turned on, which is Dividend Reinvestment Plan on Robinhood. So I have that turned on, and they were able to grab those shares for me. I think right now it's trading for $11.47. So, you know, it's what, 2 cents more than currently what they bought the shares for. Okay, so right now, as of the making of this video, once again, $11.47. Dividend paying stocks are pretty cool. There is not one specific way for you to skin the cat in regards to making money in the stock market. There are a lot of different ways that you can make money. And so if you're not comfortable investing in one specific company, if you, let's say you fancy dividend investing and you don't want to invest your money in just one company, then I would encourage you to look into investing in different ETFs. There are dividend paying ETFs, of course. There are ETFs that are specific to dividend companies, dividend paying companies, right? One of those ETFs is SCHD. As a matter of fact, it's on my watch list. So let me just go ahead and pull it up since I'm talking to you guys about it a little bit, just so I can show you guys right here, SCHD. I'll open it in a separate tab and just click on it right here, just to kind of show you guys, because this is a ETF. So there are multiple companies. I don't know that it tells me how many. I guess it says right here, a market cap weighted index of 100 dividend paying US equities. So there are at least 100 companies in this particular ETF. But this is a good one because you would be investing in 100 companies instead of just one dividend paying company. Now, of course, the dividend payment is going to be you know, currently it's not, this particular company is not that high, or this particular ETF is not that high, 2.96%, but you have a little safety in the fact that you're investing in 100 different companies. And if you look at the past 5 years as far as what the growth is, so this is a dividend ETF, but it's also growing, which is very, very good. You want to have both. Some of these companies that I have invested in, the growth is very stagnant. It's more lateral than it is up or down. So this is not a bad ETF to consider if you want to invest in dividend types of accounts. Okay. Once again, not a guru, nowhere close, but I definitely always like to share my experiences and share as I go along what I've learned and what I am learning and what is working for me, right? So that's pretty much it for this video. Of course, I'm going to do more videos. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.